One of the great things about driving an electric vehicle is the fact that they are extremely cheap to operate. There is no maintenance fees, and best of all, there is no gas. You don't have to pay for gas, and electricity is much cheaper. Even though it is cheaper, you want to still and try to save some money. So in this video, I want to show you OptiWatt. This is a website that controls charging on your Tesla to get you the cheapest charge possible, making the gap between gas and electric even greater. What OptiWatt does is it tracks your energy pricing at your house. You get some information like your address, your utility provider, and the plan you're on. It'll then determine when is the best time to charge your car so that you save the most amount of money. There are several different ways that you can take advantage of OptiWatt to save some money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. You create your account, and the first thing you do is link your Tesla account. After you sign in with your Tesla account, you will pick your utility provider, and then you can choose three options. You can upload your utility bill, you can add your utility plan manually, or you can select the plan from the drop-down list. I just selected from the drop-down list because I know what plan I'm on, and that showed up with all the other options that my utility company provided. In my case, I'm on a tiered plan, which means I pay the same price no matter the time of day, up to a certain amount of energy usage. Once I reach that energy amount, then I go up to a higher tier, which is more expensive. I can also get a time of use plan as well, but for my limited driving right now in my car, the tiered plan works the best. Once we enter in all that information, we can set up our schedule. There's two options for your schedule. You can either pick between optimized or cheapest for your charging. Either way, you enter in your battery percent that you want the car to charge to. One really cool thing is that this battery percent is independent from the one you set in the Tesla app and on the car. So if I set the car to charge to 80%, I can set a higher or lower amount on the website and it's not going to affect what the car shows. The setup automatically defaults to the optimized charging plan where you select your departure time. In my case, I set that to 8 a.m. So the car is going to be charged all the way by 8 a.m. If we hit show advanced options, we can pick between the two options, cheapest and optimized. Staying under optimized right now, we can pick our departure time for a specific day, and we can add another time for other days of the week, which is pretty cool. Under cheapest, what it does is it only charges the car on the cheapest hours possible. So if you only have 4 hours for your plan that's the cheapest, it's only going to charge for 4 hours. So keep in mind that you may not reach your full charge or your target amount of charge by the time you have to leave. Under the home screen, we can see several different things about our charging. We have our charge forecast, which is going to show your electricity rate. And then we have our charge limit. It shows nothing when the charger is unplugged. When you do plug your charger in, it will show a graph of the amount of battery being replenished throughout the different hours and how that's going to work with your target percentage and with your current plan. On the left side, we can see our total spent and our amount in gas savings. And this is my favorite. Down below, it shows all-time environmental impact. So it shows the total number of miles on your car. And then every time you reload the page, it shows you a different statistic. So in my case right now, I have saved 49 gallons of gas, and that's equal to 482 pounds of coal burned. And every time you reload the page, it's going to show you a different statistic, which is pretty cool. Once you do complete a charge, it will show you the charge history. It'll show you how long it charged for that date, how much it cost you, which is pretty cool. You don't always know that, so that's a very nice thing to have. And it shows you the amount in gas savings and then also your price per kilowatt hour. Taking a look at the charging section on the website, we can view our schedule, which is going to take you back to the exact same thing when we set up, picking between cheapest or optimized, and you can change those settings. And if we go to calendar, we can add an exception to our schedule. So say you need to leave at 6 on a specific day and you need to charge to a higher percentage. You can let it know that and it will do all the calculations and charge the car accordingly. So what happens when you're charging not at your house? Say you're supercharging, public charging, or charging at someone else's house. Well, the cool thing is OptiWatt knows where you live, knows where your electricity bill is coming from. So anytime you're charging not at your address, it won't be active. It's going to go back to the car's default charge limit. It's not going to have a plan. It's not going to have a schedule. It just charges how it normally was. So it's pretty cool that way. And then finally, under settings, we can change things like our address, our utility provider, and our plan. Overall, I'm a big fan of OptiWatt. If you have a time of use system where the amount you charge varies by the hour of the day, this is going to be really great for you. You don't have to guess when to charge your car. It's going to do that automatically for you. It's going to save you a lot of money as well. Even if you have a tiered plan like myself, it's really cool to see how much it costs to charge my car, how much in savings I am getting, and how the car is charged throughout its period of time. It's really cool that way, and I'm a big fan of OptiWatt. Best of all, the service is absolutely free. Just click the link in the description below, sign up, and you can start tracking your charging as well. Anyway, that's going to do it for me for this video. I hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I will see you in the next one.